In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to BCC meeting invitation recipients in Outlook 2025 or Office 365. Now, you might be aware that Outlook doesn't directly support BCC for meeting invites, which is why we need to adopt a bit of a workaround using the mail merge feature. This method ensures that each recipient only sees their own email address when they receive the invitation. So let's dive in. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook homepage. You can do this by opening any web browser and typing in the Outlook URL. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your login details carefully on the sign in page. Make sure every detail is correct to avoid any issues. Once you've filled in your information, click next to continue. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is where you'll conduct all your email and calendar management. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the Teams option. Click on it to access Microsoft Teams, which integrates seamlessly with Outlook. Within Teams, our goal is to get a meeting link. For demonstration purposes, we'll collect a direct meeting link. You'll find what you need in the Meet tab located on the left portion of the screen. Here, you can create a new meeting link by simply following the on-screen instructions. Once you have your meeting link, it's time to switch back to the Outlook dashboard. You might think it's complicated, but we're almost there. From the dashboard, start a new email. You should look for the new mail button to get started on writing your message. As you compose your email, locate the send button, but don't click it just yet. Instead, notice that beside the send button, there's an option to start mail merge. Select this option. Mail merge is a powerful tool that allows sending personalized emails to multiple recipients without them knowing who else received the same email, ideal for our goal of BCC-like behavior with meeting invites. Now, you'll need a list of multiple recipients. This can be done by adding each email address manually or by selecting a list you've already prepared. Once the recipients are in place, it's time to paste the meeting link we retrieved earlier into the body of your email. Ensure it's positioned neatly, accompanied by all the necessary details your attendees will need, such as the date and time of your meeting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively sent a meeting invitation where each recipient can only see their own email address, thanks to the mail merge workaround. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to walk through these steps a few times to become familiar and confident with the process. Happy emailing!